mga boss? It's officially 8 p.m. and you're tuned in to something historic. Welcome sa first ever episode ng the Premium Funnels Podcast.
Yes, Pedro, this is it. First episode, first impact, and we're so glad na kayo ang kasama namin tonight, mga boss. This is where smart systems meet real stories.
Exactly, Maria. At hindi tayo magpapakabog sa pilot episode natin, ha? Kasi tonight's guest, legit. Started from scratch, no clout, no fancy setup, just strategy.
And look at him now, Pedro. He's helping businesses connect with their dream clients through cold emails and LinkedIn DMs. Boss, kung lead generation ang hanap mo, tonight will hit hard.
Siyempre, hindi lang yan. He's the founder and chief lead generation officer of Lead Assassin and formerly director of sales and business dev at Lunas Consulting. Grabe, Maria, solid to.
Kaya boss, habang mainit pa ang simula, prepare ka na. Camera on? Yes, kahit medyo madilim o walang ring light, okay lang. Locate your city sa chat. At sagot na rin, ano best describes you? Type 1, business owner. Type 2, agency owner. Type 3, freelancer. Type 4.
And Maria, let's not forget to remind them, this isn't just a podcast, it's a movement. At ang founder natin mismo ang magi-introduce ng speaker natin today.
Yes, so Pedro, let's give it up now for the visionary behind this show, the premium funnel builder of digital systems, our very own Boss Rand.
Alright guys, so here with me is, by the way, this is the first ever episode. May mga nag-request kasi na for us to conduct an episode for podcast. And yeah, ito na yung very first. And the one who we invited right now is something, magaling na to siya. Grabe, no? Sa industry, especially sa lead generation process. So for those people who are really interested on how to get leads, I think the man can help. Bro Erickson can help kasi the main focus of his business is all about lead gen. Okay? So, yeah, maybe you can help me give a virtual clap. Virtual clap na lang muna tayo, no? Yeah. So, yeah, bro. Erickson Dalusong. Yeah, how are you, bro?
Rand, thank you for having me here. I'm super pumped today dahil sobrang dami pala ng attendees natin and I didn't know that. So, first off, I want to honor our attendees for being here tonight.
Yeah. All right. So, are we going to start the bro? Baka you have like additional shout out may mga And for those people guys, you can open your cam. So this is like an open space naman para we can see you now. Maybe you'll be our future business partners here. Diba? So okay. So maybe you
Yep.
can start by asking you bro Erickson like what is mo bro like yung pinagkakabisihan mo right now? Maybe your business right now. Yeah.
Yep. So, I'm a marketer. I run a marketing agency. It's Lead Assassin and we're kind of different from your typical marketing agency kasi whenever you hear marketing agencies, ang papasok sa isip natin mga Facebook ads specialist or Facebook ads agencies, Google ads agencies. What we do is different. We do outbound and we utilize cold email, tsaka LinkedIn direct messages. And the goal of utilizing these channels is to connect our clients with their potential clients or with their future clients. So you can think of us na parang kami yung taga-Bugao in Tagalog, no? Kami yung nag-hunt ng mga clients for them and we do the dirty work. And the way we do it is we leverage technology. So we use AI, we use a couple of tools and automations. Napaka-important ng automation sa business.
It's perfect. Is it bro like local or foreign clients?
We serve foreign clients.
Oh, that's nice. Okay, I
Yep.
think how long are you running Lead Assassin, bro? For years na ba or You just started last year?
Yep. I've been running the business since 2021.
Oh,
So we've been operating for a couple of years now, but before having my own agency, katulad nung sinabi kanina sa intro, I was working as a director of business development sa isang agency din.
oh, that's nice. I can see na, no, bro, you're kinda successful in your field. Pero, where did you started ba? Like, what was the plan? Is this your ano ba talaga, forte? Or maybe may nag-push lang sa'yo to do this? Or what's the story behind Lead Assassin, bro, before you start?
Yep. My story is kind of interesting kasi
Mhm.
product din ako ng pandemic. So, before the pandemic, I was a corporate employee. Nag-work ako sa BPO. I worked there for 8 years. And during the
Okay.
pandemic, 'di ba, meron tayong parang fear na we're gonna lose our jobs kasi nga walang pwedeng lumabas and it's pandemic, no?
Ah, correct.
So, the first thing that came into my mind is to look for a job or a side gig that would protect me and my family. And doon ko nakita yung freelancing or virtual assistant.
Mm-hmm.
So, nag-bid ako ng job sa Upwork and after bidding for or after sending hundreds of proposals,
Oh, grabe.
literally hundreds of
Grabe,
proposals
no?
talaga.
Hundreds. Di
Yes.
ko kaya yun.
Yeah. Mura pa yung Connects that time eh. So
Mm-hmm.
nakapag-send ako ng hundreds of proposal and
Mm-hmm.
I got very lucky dahil a client gave me a chance. He gave me a work na mag-upload lang ako ng logo sa WordPress sites niya for
Oh,
$15. That's a project-based na contract.
it's nice.
So
Yeah.
that's where it all started.
Mm.
And then after completing yung project na yun, doon ako nakakuha ng mga gigs hanggang sa nakita ko na-discover ko tong isang client na nagturo sa akin kung ano yung skill set na meron ako. So that's the kumbaga shortcut ng story.
Oh, that's nice. And for the information of everyone, may na-mention kanina si Bro Erickson about Connect. So that time, bro, how much is Connect? This is Upwork, correct? Just to verify.
Yes, Upwork.
Yeah.
I can't
Okay.
recall, brother, pero pag nag-load ka ng ₱500, I think makakapag-send ka ng mga 10 to 20 connects during
Oh,
that time. Way back
nice.
2019, 2020.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Okay. So you don't have any ano bro, like platform, only Upwork. You didn't try like may ano na ba dati like Online Jobs PH or Fiverr or si
Meron,
Upwork? Mm-hmm.
yeah, there's online jobs pero napakahirap ng competition dun eh. Based on
Mm-hmm.
my personal experience,
Yeah.
Fiverr, hindi ko pa alam during that time.
I see.
Yeah.
Yeah. So for those people who wanted to, apply jobs, maybe that's a documentation job, typing job, may mga ganun din eh, like designing logo, you can try Upwork. And I think may mga tools na din out there or mga bagong websites for you to apply work as a virtual assistant. Okay. So grabe. So that's great, bro. And now, bro Erickson, how many are you in your team right now?
I have a total of 7 team members. We used to have 10, but
Mm-hmm.
we trimmed down our head count not because we are cost cutting or we are not in a good position, but because
Mm-hmm.
we found ways on how to automate things or how to simplify
Uy,
things in our
grabe.
operation.
Pumasok
Yep.
si automation dun ah. That's great. Oo. I know this sounds very simple, no? But is there a time, bro, na you feel na, no? Like it's really hard and you think na, am I going to continue this or balik na lang ako sa corpo? Yes,
It's
there a
always
time,
hard
bro.
until now. Until now, I am still experiencing that. Hindi
Okay.
lahat ng araw motivated ka talaga, pero
Correct, correct.
yung sinabi mo na babalik sa corpo, no, I would never do it. I respect people in the
Mm,
corporate uh, scenario because I've been there, but I'm not going back anymore.
mm. Can you cite a specific example, bro? Like yung mga kind of struggles like doing lead assassin or with your business?
Yep. The struggle is to get results for the
Yeah.
clients. And the reason why that's the first thing that I brought up is because it's something that would probably resonate with you guys, no? I
Mm-hmm.
don't know about you, but for sure, there's something that you want to achieve. That's why you guys are here tonight, no?
Correct,
Kasi you could
correct.
be somewhere else, you could be drinking, you could be watching Netflix, but you guys are here today, and I want to honor you for showing up. So going back dun sa question ni Rand kanina, it's about getting results for the clients.
Yeah.
It takes a lot of dedication, commitment, and you have to really genuinely care about your clients. Because if you do care, you're gonna do whatever it takes to get
Mm.
results for your clients. No matter kung ano pa yung services na ino-offer mo as a freelancer.
Yeah,
So
correct.
that's the first one.
Yeah. I believe then lead gen is one of the biggest problem here in the Philippines. Like in every business, you should talk to someone, you should close deals, 'di ba? You need to present to those leads. But if wala kang kakausapin, so if wala ka ring leads, I think your business will fall talaga. That's my principle then. So that's why lead gen
Right.
is very important. Pero very difficult din siya kasi we're trying to deliver results. Okay lang yung ano like system like what we're doing like for example may magpa-create na for example corporate magpa-create ng system so we can like follow their system requirements unlike with lead gen na, na result talaga yung need nila. So you're going to earn based sa results din nila. So if you can help businesses to upscale or to improve their performance or like yung results nila or they can have lot of revenue, that is good. Pero I think yun yung mga problem bro sa mga starting lead gen experts. Yeah,
Right.
so that's for me. What's your thought onto that one, bro? Maybe you can add about lead generation. Hello?
Na-cut off yata ako, but can you hear me now, Rand?
Yeah, yeah, yes, bro.
Yan, okay na. What was the last part na sinabi mo? I didn't capture
Uh,
it.
Yeah, so I just explained something about lead gen na mahirap siya
Okay.
and kasi
Right.
performance based siya. Yep. So maybe what is your word of like ano din advice for those who wanted to venture lead generation? Kasi digital marketing is very broad and if
Yep.
they wanted to be on that game sa pag-acquire ng new customer or lead gen, so what can be your something advice to them for them ano hindi sila ma-lost or somehow shortcut nila? Yep.
Yep. So, number one is dapat you understand the foundation of the type of lead generation service na ipoprovide ipoprovide ninyo. Kasi there are a lot of ways on how to generate leads. And sa amin, what we do is outbound. So, if it's outbound that you're trying to pursue, you have to understand the foundation of outbound. Ano ba yung mga channels na ginagamit to reach out to potential clients? What are the
Yep.
tools? How do we source leads? That's the first step.
Mm-hmm.
The second step is to know how to use AI, specifically
Oh,
prompting.
yeah,
Yep. Kasi if you know how to prompt, if you know how to talk to AI, it's gonna make your job way easier.
I agree, bro.
Yep.
Yeah.
And pangatlo, you have to understand the principle of automation. Paano ba nag-work yung automation? Ah, paano ba ito nakaka-help sa mga freelancers, sa mga businesses? Kasi everyone is so fascinated with AI, with automation. So
Correct.
if you will be able to incorporate it to what you do, which is lead generation, chances are you're gonna attract clients. Ikaw
Mm-hmm.
mismo makakapag-generate ka ng leads. Makakakuha ka ng mga leads na bibigyan mo ng lead generation service.
Mm. Grabe, galing. Oo. I'm just curious, bro. You're catering foreign clients, right? Is it
Yeah.
applicable din ba sa mga small scale businesses like for example, I'm selling a product here in the Philippines like yung mga low ticket lang. Is it ano din ba doable for ano
Yes.
like the one you're doing right now? Can you say that can help as well?
For as long as it's business to business, the answer is
Mm-hmm.
yes.
Yeah. How about
Kasi
business to consumer, bro? Is it gonna be doable pa rin?
in some use cases, oo.
Some use cases.
Pero there are better channels that you can leverage for business to consumer like inbound or Facebook ads.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, so that's great. So for those people, sa lead gen, there's two ano type ba yun, bro? Like yung inbound and outbound. Yeah,
Yes.
the ones Bro Erickson is doing is the outbound. So they are the one reaching out to clients, but there's a new way then that they called inbound. So medyo it consists of a lot of tools, but it boils down sa pag ano talaga, like automations, like using tools talaga. Yep.
Right.
Uh, yeah. Maybe the next question, bro, is what tools are you using? Like yung you're open to ano lang to, like uh like you're open to ano lang, bro, to share
Yep.
and maybe
I'm
free.
happy to share.
I can say if may libre ba kasi I think
Uh,
some of our audience are just starting pa lang with their business and yung problem talaga is nila is lead gen but they check some of the tools may mga bayad for them to generate leads.
yep. There are a lot of tools na nag-offer ng free trial and you can play with it. So I'm going to drop a few tools na pwede nyong i-check out. And the good thing
Mhm.
about people who are using these tools, they get a lot of opportunities or client opportunities. Kasi bihira yung gumagamit ng ganitong tool dito
Oh,
sa Philippine freelancing landscape. So I'll share them with you. Number one is clay.com.
clay.
I drop it in the chat, no? So clay.com is basically a growth tool. Para siyang spreadsheet, Google spreadsheet na it has access to a lot of tools din na magagamit ninyo for curating or building your target list. When I say building your target list, ito yung mga list na sasendan mo ng cold email or sasendan mo ng LinkedIn messages. So,
Oh.
you guys must check that out. And the other tool na I would like to share with you is Instantly.ai.
Mm.
Basically, this is what we use for automating the process of sending cold emails. We're talking about cold emails, not email marketing, ha? Cold emails, ito yung email na sinesend mo sa mga tao na they never know you or they never had any past interaction with you. Sa email marketing kasi, ito yung nag-opt-in eh. Or
Yeah,
ito
correct.
yung nag-subscribe, di ba? So, you guys must check that out. And then, this is the other one that we're using naman for LinkedIn outreach. It's called heyreach.io. So, it automates yung process ng pagsasend mo ng mga LinkedIn messages sa mga potential clients. Etong tatlo na to, pagka nagamit nyo itong tool na to, there are free trial naman na ino-offer. I mean, may free trial na ino-offer itong mga tools na to. If you use this for your own freelancing business, makakakuha din kayo ng clients.
Oh, grabe, no?
Yep.
Sa Instantly AI, bro, that means AI siya.
No.
Is that correct?
Hindi actually. In AI, that
Okay.
AI lang yung
That
extension.
AI.
Yep.
Pero hindi siya AI na, no?
Right.
Okay, that's nice.
Yep. Hundreds of tools pa yung ginagamit namin.
Mm.
Pero yung tatlo na yan lang yung basic. And if you wanna check yung mga iba pang tools na ginagamit namin at Lead Assassin, check nyo na lang tong page na to. So there are
Okay.
dozens or hundreds of tools na
Mm.
meron siya. And I'm
Yep.
giving it away for free.
Grabe, no?
Yep.
Solid, yeah. Oh, with this given tools, bro, I think all of this item help your clients, no? Like, nag-help talaga sa mga clients nyo. Can you cite maybe one client, bro, na maybe that is naging successful talaga in connecting with Lead Assassin or with you? Yeah. Is it if it's okay, bro, if you can like mention some of them or maybe that's a business? Yeah, feel free, bro.
Yep. So we have been working with this business and they are
Mm,
selling courses sa
okay.
Australia, Queensland, Australia.
Oh.
And they've been doing really well sa Facebook. Like they're running Google Ads and they're getting a lot of leads from Facebook. And then they decided to explore itong outbound. So
Mm,
we worked together, we set up outbound campaigns for them. So gumamit kami ng mga tools like Instantly, yan yung shinare ko sa inyo. That's what we've
mhm,
been using for sending cold emails and then nagdi-DM din kami sa LinkedIn. So after 2 months of working with this client, nakapag-generate kami ng 200,000 Australian dollars na pipeline opportunities or ito yung value
okay.
ng mga
Dami.
leads na na-deliver namin. And we're just charging like fraction of the amount nung na-generate namin. Imagine that. So because of the great service, the client decided to to fly from Australia, pumunta siya dito sa Philippines. He
Grabe, no?
took me to dinner. Yeah, he took me to dinner. We had the chat. We talk about business. And what's interesting is that nagsulat siya ng letter about his experience sa pag-work sa amin. And he also created a video testimonial during the dinner na ginawa namin. And I can show you the letter. Okay lang ba if I show you guys the letter?
Yeah,
I'm
grabe,
just
no?
really proud of it. Sobra.
Sige
Yan.
nga, bro.
Ito. Sorry, I'm not sure kung makikita ninyo, but yeah, this is the letter. You
And
might
that's
not
a
be able to read it.
handwritten.
Handwritten. Yes, handwritten.
Grabe.
Yeah, it's handwritten letter. And
Naman yan.
yeah, papa-frame ko nga ata. And you're, you're, you're not gonna believe kung gaano akong kasaya when I received this. Kasi after years of working with clients, this is the first time that I got this. So,
Yeah, it's
yan.
kind of very solid, bro. I thought it's ano lang, like yung chinat lang niya sa Messenger or sa Telegram. But it's handwritten talaga, no?
Handwritten, yes.
Grabe, solid.
Yep.
Okay. Thank you for sharing that one, bro. Now, in doing some negotiation, bro, may dalawang factor, bro. Like, are you going to charge via flat rate or commission based? Kasi yun talaga yung hirap talaga yung freelancer. Even me, when I started, bro, yun talaga yung
Oo.
pinaka ano ko eh. I know I have the skill, but ang hirap i-offer yung services ko. Like, uh, am I going to charge you a flat rate or am I going to have like a royalty? Royalty means like you get a cut per product or service we sold with the help of the system. But that is like performance based. And in connection to that performance based, since lead gen is a performance based, so what's your way of doing it, bro? Is it a flat rate or a commission basis per client?
Yep. So, we charge a retainer fee for every clients. And
Mm-hmm.
meron din kaming clients na ang agreement namin is retainer plus commission, no? But can I share my thoughts about dun
Yeah,
sa mga
bro.
mag-start pa lang?
Yes. Yes.
Yep. I don't suggest that you guys engage with any commission base unless kakilala nyo yung client talaga or you had a past relationship with the client. And I might be wrong dito ah. I'm just giving my thoughts or my opinion. And you can take this as a grain of salt. The reason being is that you're just starting out. Wala ka pang cash flow,
Yeah.
consistent cash flow doon sa freelancing business mo. And the last thing that you want to happen is to work for free because wala ka na-generate na results. So, I would suggest that you charge your client ng retainer and you set expectations na you are not working for results. That you are there to save them time, to give them shortcuts, and do the dirty work. So that is your value proposition, or that's the reason why they are hiring you.
Yeah.
So again, if you're starting out, charge a retainer, a monthly or weekly fee, so so it can keep you afloat. And once na makapag-collect ka na ng substantial amount of clients, let's say may 10 clients ka na and you're charging, for example, 50,000 pesos or 100,000 per month. That's the time that you venture with other models like commission or retainer plus commission structure. So yan yung advice ko sa mga audience natin.
Yeah, that's good, bro. Kasi for me then, we need to charge talaga like a retainer para parang may panggasolina, bro, ba? Sa ano,
Yes.
like the one you're working with your client. And to add a note,
Right.
yung na-mention din ni Bro Erickson, is you need to be clear with the client then if what is your goal or what is you're trying to help. So Bro Erickson mentioned na, oh, we're just doing the dirty stuff here to save you time. So you can use that script or ano para hindi kayo ma-drawn dun sa ano sa performance basis. Kasi some other business owners are very tricky talaga. Like
Yep.
just to test you, they're going to ano like, okay, sige, generate me 1 million. I'll give you like maybe 100K or 50,000. Diba? So they are like very tricky. So it's up onto you then. How do you decide onto those items? Yeah. So the next question, bro, maybe is ano siya, like a situational. Yeah. Given, bro, that all of your business right now, like yung online, and maybe like all of your business will going to shut down right now. Wag naman sana. But if you're given like if you'll be into that scenario, bro, you're going to scratch from zero ulit. Yeah. With no resources. Uh how are you going to start, bro? How are you going to get started ulit?
Yup, gandang question nun. And yung sasagot ko sa inyo, in-steal ko lang to kay Mark Cuban.
Mark Cuban, yeah.
Yeah. He's a billionaire and siya yung may-ari ng Dallas Mavericks. So
Oh, okay.
what I'm going to do is I'm going to find a sales job. And
Okay.
I'm really good at sales. I'm doing founder-led sales sa company namin. So I'm pretty sure that I'm going to do a good job if I get a sales job with another company.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm gonna make sure na I will bring as much sales as I can. And after I brought the sales, after I generate a substantial amount of money for that company, then I am going to ask a raise. I'm going to set kung ano talaga yung yung gusto ko na salary. Otherwise, I'm going to start my own business and I will go against them.
Oh, grabe.
Yep.
Grabe, no? So I hope you've learned something, guys, as on that note. So
Yep.
meaning, my note then onto that one, bro, yung job mo dapat near siya sa revenue line ng business. Dapat you're included talaga sa revenue. Kasi I'm not hindi ko siya minamaliit din yung, for example, you're working as a VA, as admin, like you're just encoding stuff. Uh, that is like very easy lang for you to replace, like replaceable ka lang at that point eh. But if
Yep.
you're part of the ano, like the revenue line, like for example, a simple graphic design, pwede mo siyang i-convert into an offer. So
Right.
maybe you can say na I can help you increase your brand, make it unique, make it stand out to the rest of your competitors. So in that
Right.
note, you're doing it strategically. Hindi ka lang nagde-design but with purpose siya. So with the ano din, sa end din ng business owner na yun, they're going to ano talaga, like take care of you. Hindi ka basta-basta i-replace lang. So near to the revenue line or near sa pera talaga. Hindi ka ano talaga, like I think that's what Bro Erickson then is trying to ano. So that's my additional note lang. And we have a
Yep.
question pala here from ano, from Christine. Hi sir, question po regarding sa cold email. Ito,
Mm.
saan po galing yung ano, contact
Yep.
doon?
Ang ganda ng sinabi mo, Brenda.
Yep.
Yep. Saan galing yung contact? So, it's from various sources. Sometimes we scrape websites, doon namin kinukuha yung mga contacts. And sometimes we use databases like Apollo, LinkedIn Sales Navigator. Those are
Mm.
our contact sources.
Oh, I see. Those are paid din, bro, no? Like Contact Sales Navigator from LinkedIn.
Yung Sales Navigator, yes. Pero yung Apollo, meron siyang free version. Pwede nyo itry.
Mm.
Ito yun, apollo.io.
Apollo.io. Okay,
Yeah.
that's a good
Oh.
reference.
So this
And I
is a
think ano
contact
din,
finder,
mm.
email address. Yan.
But are these email addresses, bro, verified then? Or some of these emails are inactive na, or maybe pagalingan na lang ng pag ano, filter?
Verified na siya. May option doon to tick kung
Okay.
to download lang yung mga verified email addresses.
Oh,
Yeah.
grabe. Grabe. So that's good. So before we proceed on your offer, bro, my last question.
Right.
If you have any questions then guys from the audience, you can feel free to ano, kasi mabait naman si ano, bro Erickson. So, oh, alright. Wag kayong mahiya,
Yeah.
guys. This is ano like us communicating each other. Hindi lang to siya both for us lang. So feel free to open your cam and you know, speak your questions, okay? Eto siya bro, maybe your advice bro for starting freelancers. May mga starting business owners then here bro, but maybe what's your advice as ano, like as a digital marketer in general? Yep.
Yep. So the question is ano yung advice ko as a digital marketer in general, no?
Yes.
Okay. So number one, you have to stay relevant. You have to be relevant at all times. And the only way you can do that is by continuously learning. Kasi if you get complacent, for example, ako, I know this AI thing, alam ko mag-write ng copy, I know how to run cold outreach campaigns, but if I don't innovate, if I don't learn something new, if I don't consume something new, after few months, wala na akong job. Kasi iba na
Yeah.
yung landscape eh. So you have to stay relevant. You have to stay competitive at all times. That's the golden rule. Number two, get a mentor. And I'm sure you're doing the right thing kasi you have Rand na dito sa community. He's a great mentor. I've known him for a while. I've been following Rand on Facebook. He's giving a lot of golden nuggets. So just want to remind you that what you're doing is right and that you have to continue uh you know consuming value from a mentor like that. So that's number two. And pangatlo, it's not about, you know, being motivated at all times. It's about being disciplined. Being disciplined enough to show up, to work para sa clients mo, to take sales calls, even if you are not
Feeling well.
feeling good, even if you are
Okay.
not motivated. So yung tatlo na yon, if you take note of that, I'm sure you're gonna be successful and you're gonna be unstoppable sa
Yeah,
freelancing industry.
that's nice. Grabe, no?
Yep.
All right, so let's cater questions from the audience. Apollo AI contact. Fine, yeah. So maybe
Sige.
we have questions from the audience before Bro Erickson drops his offer. Or maybe baka may mga in-offer din si Bro Erickson na can help us, to scale then and maybe like speed up our process. Yep. Ay, wala pa siguro. Baka they are shy, bro. All right, sige, bro. Let's go with your, bro. What does, Ericsson can offer to the audience? Do you
Yep.
have, like
Okay ba if
course?
I
Or...
share my screen?
Yeah, sure, sure. So
Okay.
I think you
Para
can
lang
share
may
it.
visuals, no?
Yep.
So, I'm going to run a cohort training program
Oh,
na it's very specific doon sa not just sa outbound, but it's more laser focused doon sa specific tool na ginagamit namin to do outbound. However, wala pa kaming ano dito, I mean, this is not yet launch. Like, you can join, you can sign up for waitlist, if you are interested. So, ano ba yung meron dito sa cohort training program namin? So, you are going to learn how to use Clay. Yun yung tool na pinakita ko sa inyo kanina. It's
play.
one of the go-to-market tool na in demand ngayon. I'm not sure if you've heard of the the title GTM engineer, but there's a scarcity pagdating sa supply ng talent for a
Mm.
go-to-market engineer. And para maging go-to-market engineer ka, you have to learn the fundamentals, and one of them is by learning how to use Clay, how to use this. So, I've included here kung bakit ka dapat maging isang Clay operator in 2025. I'm going to share it with you. I'm not going to run through it for the benefit of the time. Uh, how can I help? So, I'm one of the first certified Clay experts dito sa Philippines. Uh,
Oh,
uh, I can provide a lot of value to you. And isa din ako sa Clay Club Manila, or isa akong community lead dito sa Philippines. And ito yung video namin for our first club event. So you can check the video later. And this is the training setup.
oh, grabe, no, no. Parang curriculum talaga.
Yep. Parang curriculum. Yes, that's correct.
Perfect.
So it's a cohort program. It's not for people who lack time management and commitment. It's not for people who are not excited to solve problems and push boundaries. So if you want to sign up and join the waitlist, pwede kayo mag-sign up here. Let me know if working yung link ka. Kung hindi, I'll send you another one.
Yeah. Bro, they're asking if it's for free lang ba?
There might be a small investment, guys, but don't worry. It's not like a high ticket program. Not working. Okay, sige. One second. Try
It's
ko
404, bro.
tanggalin yung
Yeah.
double. Yep.
So this is
Ito
perfect
yung
for
link. This
bro.
is the correct link. Sorry.
Yeah. So this is perfect for starting lead gen, bro. Or this is okay then for like freelancers, like finding if ako gusto kong maghanap ng client, I can use Clay, no? For lead gen.
Yes, 100%.
Mm.
Yup. You can use
Oh,
Clay for lead gen. So, etong Clay, this is a very specific skill set na part siya ng ng overall outbound strategy. Ang outbound kasi malaki masyado yan. It's super
yeah,
broad. You have to learn copywriting, email deliverability, but this is
correct.
a fraction of what we do to run outbound campaign. So, we use Clay, and if you want to learn how to be a Clay operator this 2025, you might want to check out yung shinare ko na link.
Mm.
Sign up lang kayo dun sa training form. It's not free. I'm gonna set expectations, but it's not expensive kasi the goal here is just to add value to the community and help the marketplace to have more clay operators because like I said, there's a scarcity and you know what that means kung merong scarcity.
Yeah, exactly, bro.
Yeah.
So perfect din to siya, bro, for if Filipinos lang yung ano ko target market. Like maybe I want to get leads from Makati or Cavite, something like that. Is Clay doable to that? And worth it
Yes.
sa time ng mga audience natin to attend, no?
Yeah,
Oh,
100%. For as long as na ang gusto mong targetin ay mga businesses na located in the Philippines,
oh,
pwedeng pwede. Yup.
yeah, that's perfect. So there, I have last question there, bro. We can target business and individual or just businesses lang. Kasi
Businesses
iba
lang.
yung, okay. Kasi iba yung ano eh, like individual na ano.
Yup.
Yeah, so,
Yup. So businesses.
that's great.
Yup.
All right, so yeah, let's cater questions if you have any, especially sa offer. Is that your ano bro, like offer or do you have another one? Maybe a community or for them to check out.
Uh, that's the only one for now, no.
Ah, okay.
Meron akong core offer, but that's the main business and I serve businesses or yung
Yeah.
mga clients na naghahanap ng potential clients. So if any one of you here are, I would say, running a business and you want you want to be connected with potential clients na located sa US, sa Europe, Australia, or any parts of the globe, then you might want to check out our website. It's leadassassin.com. I'm going to put it right here. Yan. That's our website. No.
Mm-hmm.
404 daw. Saglit lang ah.
Yeah,
Kahit yung
the last
pangalawang
link
link,
is working.
yung pangalawang link, can you guys check? Click nyo lang yung link mismo, yung walang www.
Yung thank you page. Ah, yung thank you
Okay.
page
Yung
daw,
thank
bro.
you page. All right. Okay, okay. Sorry about that. Nag-migrate kasi kami ng website kahapon. Kaya I anticipated na magkakaroon ng error
Ah, okay.
after magsabi ng form. Pero ano yun, nag-push to yun. Don't worry about it. Check ko lang
Okay.
ng quick. Okay, nag-push to nga. Nakita ko na sa email ko. Don't worry.
Oh, that's nice. Yeah.
Yep.
No worries,
Tapos,
guys. Oh.
sorry, may isa pa pala. Ngayon ko lang naalala. Okay lang ba, Rand?
Yeah,
If I,
sure, sure. We have ano pa naman like
no?
uh 16 minutes. Yep. Go ahead,
16
bro.
minutes. Okay.
Yep.
So, I'm also hosting a session. Ito yung ito yung name ng event. In-invite
You
din kita dito, Rand.
you mean
Oo.
hosting like you'll be the one doing the event?
Yup, I'll be the one doing the event.
Uy, grabe yan.
Yeah. So, there are guest speakers here. One of them is si Darbs, nandyan din. I don't know if you know him. But he has 5 million plus followers sa Facebook. So, these are the list of speakers. And what we're going to talk about is yung clay and how it can help with outbound and go to market. strategy.
Oh,
So, yeah, this is ano, you have to register if I mean if you would like to join. Eto, this is free and it's
oh,
gonna be held in City Garden Hotel Makati. Pero subject for approval yung ano, yung registration. It's not for everyone.
oh.
Yeah.
So baka if open pa siya, bro, mag-submit na yung iba, no?
Yes, oo. Oo. May konti
Baka
pa yata
mag-change yung
tayong
mind
slots,
nila. Yeah,
right? So 80
yan.
plus yung attendees and the attendees would be mix of saglit.
Darbs is Real Talk Darbs, correct?
Real talk darbs, yep.
Uy, grabe yan.
Yep. So ano to, mix of founders, GTM
Ah,
engineers, agency owners, freelancers, coaches including URAN, AI experts. Yan yung mga mamimit mo dito sa event if you will be approved, and may mga agency owners din so they can be your next potential clients or next clients.
yeah. Prepare nyo yung calling cards
Yep.
nyo, guys, ha?
Mhm.
That's for sure na you'll be meeting with ano talaga, business owners. Yep. And can we attend?
Yeah, just sign up kasi
Yeah.
we have a team na nag-check ng mga registration, and if you qualify, then of course, yes, you can attend, no?
Yeah, that's nice. Sige. You can like try
Yeah,
it, guys.
right.
All right.
And
Grabe.
if for example, hindi kayo ma-approve this time, we have next events pa at you guys can join. Pwede kayo mag-join, no?
Hmm. Wag lang kayo maghanap
Yep.
ng free food, ha?
Actually, meron free food,
Ay, bro.
free food and drinks. Yeah.
May libre pa na, ano? Grabe
Yeah.
yung value, no? Alright. So next ano natin, bro, before you share your ano social medias to the audience, may segment lang tayo, bro, na it's kind of like very common, but we can like try this one and see the results sa lahat ng episodes natin. So this is like the fast talk segment, bro. So you don't need
Sige.
to think like really heavily onto this one. So it depende lang sa ano sa may isip mo. Okay. All right, are you ready, bro?
Yup.
All right, sige. In 3, 2, 1. Number one is system or hustle? I think it's very obvious naman, no?
Hustle.
Yeah. Next is morning person or night owl?
Morning.
Again, bro.
Morning person.
Yeah, okay. Next is team meeting or solo deep work?
Solo deep work.
All right, coffee or energy drink?
Coffee. Coffee.
You're coffee lover din pala.
Yeah, I'm
Lap-
drinking coffee.
Ay, grabe. Yeah,
Uh,
laptop, bro, or whiteboard?
laptop.
Okay. Zoom call or face-to-face meeting?
Zoom call.
Okay. First thing you do when you wake up.
I check emails.
Uy, grabe. Sobrang talaga, no? Yeah, favorite tool or app, bro, for productivity. Or the
Click
one
up.
is, yeah, ClickUp for project management. Yeah, that's
Yep.
perfect. Maybe, yeah. Next is like one word to describe you, bro, in with your business journey.
Mm,
Maybe one word, yeah. Uh,
discipline.
yeah, grabe. It's discipline. Nice word, bro. And maybe last is like, describe yourself, bro, in 3 words.
Disciplined, uh, committed, and ano ba? Hirap nito ah. Ano? Curious.
All right, so that's great. So thank you, bro, Erickson. And I think walang questions, no? This is the first time magtahimik nila, bro. Yeah,
Yeah,
but if you
yeah.
have ano, if you have any questions to bro Erickson, bro, it's time for you to ano, bro, drop your social media links on the chat box for them to reach you out. Maybe may TikTok ka ba, bro, or are you a YouTuber?
I do LinkedIn. So, active ako sa LinkedIn. I don't have TikTok.
Ah, okay.
Send ko sa inyo yung ano,
Hmm.
yung LinkedIn profile ko. marami akong sinishare dyan na mga workflows or values. So, check nyo na lang. And then, the other link is just my website. So, leadassassin.com. Yan. So, makakapag-reach out kayo sa akin using those two
Yeah.
channels.
How
LinkedIn
about
would be the
email?
best. Email.
Can you
Ito.
add it as well? Yeah, para we can like message you for, especially for businesses, may mga maybe others
Yep.
here are business owners, yep. And you wanted to
Yep.
increase your sales through lead gen, like talking to more people, closing deals. Yeah. Erickson. All right,
Yep.
perfect. One thing I've noticed pala yung bro, yung jacket mo is high level, no?
Oo, I'm flexing it.
Grabe yan. It's high
Yeah.
level. Yeah. Are you using high level din pala, bro?
Yeah, we do. We use it a lot for automations.
All right. So before I forget, bro, maybe are you like kind of looking for people as well, or hiring or something na a business collaboration or what?
Yes, we're hiring. It's a good thing na you've asked that. We're hiring. Ito yung ano namin, document for hiring. And so
Oh,
makikita nyo dyan yung mga open job posts namin. Why are we hiring and why you should join us. So check nyo na lang. Baka din
grabe.
hindi pala gumagana yung link, but I'll check. Ayun, it's working.
Yeah.
Buti naman.
Yeah, this is not
Yeah.
just ano pala, a podcast. This is like ano job, job hiring. Yeah, this is perfect, bro. So,
Yep.
yeah, wala na kayong question, guys. Let's open our cam. Let's document tonight. And yeah, let's think ano din, bro Erickson. Bro, thank you for sharing, bro. Ha? I know this is hindi to siya usual way that you're going to share, but you did your best talaga to share some insights to us. All right, so let's open our camera. So, yeah, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, smile. And so we have next page pa ha. All right, so sa next page, yeah. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, smile. All right, guys, I think that's it. So yeah, you can stay para you can like listen the no, yung AI that we're trying to build. But anyways, thank you, son. Thank you for your time, and yeah, God bless you, bro.
God bless you too, brother. Thank you for having me here and good
Yeah.
luck sa journey ninyo, guys.
All right, mga boss, that officially wraps up our first ever episode of the Premium Funnels Podcast.
Grabe, Pedro. What a way to kick things off. And of course, a massive thank you to our guest speaker tonight, Erickson De Losong, founder of Lead Assassin. Boss Erickson, thank you for dropping so much fire and practical value.
Boss Erickson, we appreciate your story from scratch, now scaling smart, and your honesty about cold emails, LinkedIn DMs, and the systems behind it. Saludo kami sa'yo.
And to you, boss, thank you for staying with us hanggang dulo. You'll receive an email shortly with a podcast replay, so pwede mong balikan yung lahat ng golden nuggets ni Erickson.
And don't stop here. Join us inside the Premium Funnels community on Facebook for continued conversations, support, and value.
At kung seryoso ka sa growth mo, check out our exclusive community at community.thepremiumfunnels.com. Mas structured, mas focused, and built for bosses like you.
Once again, this is the Premium Funnels Podcast, powered by smart systems, real stories, and bosses who show up.